Um, my name is Emmanuel Akonde, Great Strides team for Engineering Entrepreneurship, Stanford University. I am about to start up a business startup. It involves drilling, subsoil investigation, and then I'm about to find out from consumers, from potential customers, what they would actually need, and then if my business idea is a good one, or they have other suggestions, and see what changes I'll make to the startup proposal. So, all right, yeah, thanks. Good evening. My name is Manuel Akonde. As I've introduced myself earlier, engineering entrepreneurship, and I'm here with a potential consumer, and I'm going to be asking him some questions. So, sir, all right. So, what's your name? Where have you worked? And then.
Yeah. Well, my name is Shion Polari. I'm a structural engineer. I work with Sunny John Partners. Over the years, I've had experiences in site operation and supervision.
Yeah. So now, I'm thinking of starting up something that relates to civil engineering also. It's the subsoil investigation part of civil engineering, and I want to find out your view. You know, you're a potential consumer for me. You understand? When I bring up this proposal to you, a proposal to start to help you do your subsoil investigation, get samples for you, to do your CPT, your SPT, and every other test you might need to determine the piling, everything of your building. Now, my company is this, Great Strides. We are going to make this faster and more efficient by making sure, I'm planning to, because most of the people here in Nigeria, I noticed use shell and auger system, which is quite is cheap but slow in its sense. So I intend to introduce other drilling methods. You understand, to make results faster, and also add things like discounts. You understand? For example, I do a job for you today, and then tomorrow I'm going to do it at a lower rate. You understand? And many other incentives like that. Now, I want to ask your view. Would you want my product?
Well, first thing first is we'd like to know the quality of the service you're rendering.
All right.
Because if using your method and we get better results, because beyond results, there's nothing else that can be considered, because the whole essence of the exercise is to get the true nature of the soil beneath.
All right.
And if either of the methods you are proposing do not really get the true result, so what's the essence?
Right.
So first thing first, I'll have to consider the accuracy of your method.
Okay.
Then after considering the accuracy, then we can now look at the costs. Because one of the importance of engineering aside safety is the ability to cut costs.
Okay.
So if it is cheaper and it can give me better results, then I'll settle for.
Okay, so now I have to come up with like a resume first of all to show that I have done this before.
Yes.
You understand? And and I have been efficient at it.
Okay.
So with that, would that give me also an edge, or what do you think? Like, because now I'm a startup, I don't have any resume.
Okay. In a way, it will help you definitely, because what they use for the assessment is more or less like what you've done before.
Okay.
Because before anybody gives you a job, they would like to know what you've done before, your experiences on that job, the challenges and everything you faced.
All right.
Because people will always want someone who's experienced, not someone who's just starting, who's going to experiment with a new job.
All right.
So they need your experience as well.
Okay, so I need to be extra convincing.
Yes, extra convincing.
All right, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. All right, thank you. All right. I'm Manuel Akonde for Engineering Entrepreneurship, Stanford University, and I'm here with a potential customer for my startup proposal. And so introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Ogunamila.
Okay.
A student and investor.
Okay, all right. Civil engineering student. So also a potential customer, and I'm here to ask about the business proposal I'm about to bring. and see what you think about it. And now, the startup, just I've explained everything to you. What do you feel about if I should bring the company to you? What would you accept it, or would you drop it for some other company? And why would you drop it for some other company?
Okay, like what you said.
Yeah, what you said.
Okay, I think I will kind of like I will really go with the idea.
Alright, like now, honestly, okay.
Yeah, looking at the efficiency, we actually have to consider so many things like how it works, price, how fast it is.
Okay, about the price, I intend also to give incentives. Like, if you are going to do a job for you, for example, now, if I'm going to do a job for SOP one time, the next time that I'm going to come, I'm going to give them a deposit, you understand? And I mean, a discount rather. And then the next time they come, like a discount also. And then also, I'm going to make their payment is going to be after the results. You understand? Like, if they see my results are very good and they check, they're going to pay me. And if they see they have no reason to really, then so it's like I'm forced to make my results, my samples accurate and all that. So yeah, what do you think about?
All right, discounts, but it depends. What percent? And apart from that, I think for the first time it should be cheap. Not really that cheap, but because you are attracting customers, like they are attracting me to come and like to do business with you. So if it's expensive at the first time, you don't really expect me to really go with it if I have other options.
And then it's my first time also, and there are many big guns in the business. I've just come into the business, so I think I should also try it. Alright, okay, so that's what you do. Alright, thank you for your time. Alright, okay.
Asking too many questions.
Alright, yeah. Now, okay, what do you think can be the solution to the problem of having to convince customers about my business? Because I'm a newcomer, and a lot of other people are being judged based on what they've done before, and I have not really done anything. So, what do you think can be the problem, the solution to that problem?
Okay, the truth is, if you have not done anything, nobody will commit anything to your hands. So, to me, the solution to it is for smaller things, smaller projects, and work on them.
First of all,
Yeah, first of all, before you start bidding for the bigger ones.
okay, before climbing up the ladder.
Nobody will deliver a billion naira project to you when you have not done a million naira project.
No, okay.
So that is it.
Okay, alright. Yeah, thanks a lot for your contribution. Yeah. Appreciate it. Alright.
Yeah.
We have another customer here.
I don't understand what you talk now.
He's going to
It's
introduce
to
himself.
Africa.
Alright.
Yes, not be that. But we don't have this in the clinic, and this outcome we dispose it of because the numbers that are it doesn't reflect the numbers we are using now.
Alright.
That's the concern. I don't tell them anything. Check out.
So now,
And still don't check it.
okay, alright, let me start again. It's a social investigation business, and then we are going to be drilling
suppose
for
get
and
the
SPT
one with the
samples.
issues there.
Yes, for companies and all that.
Suppose get.
So since you work in the civil engineering related company also, I don't want to find out your take about it. Like, would you want my product if I should bring it to you? And then what would make you give me preference over other companies? Somebody has already mentioned that people don't want to hire people that don't have anything yet. They can't give $1 billion project
These guys,
for
honestly, you see the level that these guys are reaching.
like, okay, alright.
It's not that level though. That's how they do the guys.
So
People don't need the level. So that's how they talk this man. Just talking to himself.
Okay, what do you think? Yeah.
See, he's even interviewing you because he wants to bounce some ideas on you.
Of course.
Huh? That guy is a DJ will forget. The next time you see him, that's the next you will chat.
I'm from DJ.
Just buying he's just playing around here. Nowhere to go.
I'm a surveyor by profession. When it comes to subsoil, well, the area that is linked with us is
giving out levels,
Okay.
level computation. Sorry, giving out the levels of terrain, and then just getting out the volume, top and fill volume.
Alright.
So that is the area which we are linked to such subsoil investigation.
So what do you expect to see in a subsoil investigation company like Gibson, for example?
This guy, indoor range.
If I was to work with them,
Yeah.
yes, if I was
You
to
want
work,
to work with them?
if I was to work with them in the capacity of the surveyor,
Alright.
I'll be expecting more of given positions of points.
Okay.
Points where they want to do soil investigations.
They must be accurate, like.
Because they want to be
Yeah.
accurate.
Okay.
And then it will also include giving them volume.
Okay. Volume of soil.
Volume of soil.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Thank you a lot, sir, for your time. I appreciate it. Alright. Okay. Alright.